Welcome to today's video, where we're diving deep into how food can act as medicine for our bodies, helping us fight diseases like cancer. We're also going to talk about 5 specific fruits that are not only tasty, but also packed with health benefits. So make sure to watch till the end for some amazing tips you can start using right away. How diet impacts our health. Did you know that 30 to 35% of cancers caused by environmental factors are linked to what we eat? That's right, our daily food choices are that powerful. Even though we may not notice it, our bodies are constantly fighting off tiny, microscopic cancers. Studies on people who passed away unexpectedly, like in car accidents, have revealed some shocking results. Around 40% of women between the ages of 40 and 50 had tiny cancers in their breasts, while 50% of men in their 50s and 60s had small prostate cancers. By the time we reach our 70s, almost all of us will have some form of microscopic cancer in our thyroid. But here's the good news. The food we eat every day can help our bodies fight back. Think about it. Food is something we consume 3 times a day, every single day. It has a massive influence on our health, and with the right choices, we can boost our body's ability to fight diseases, heal, and even improve how medical treatments work. So it's not just food or medicine, but a powerful combination of both working together. More than just 5 fruits. Before we jump into the 5 fruits we'll discuss, it's important to mention that there are many natural foods that can act as medicine for our bodies. We're focusing on fruits today, but vegetables, nuts, seeds, and other plant-based foods also play a huge role in keeping us healthy. These foods don't just help us feel better. They can also improve how our bodies handle things like fat, blood sugar, and even how fast we burn calories. The power of tomatoes. Let's start with tomatoes, a fruit that most of us probably have in our kitchen right now. Tomatoes are rich in a compound called lycopene, which has been shown to help reduce the risk of prostate cancer by up to 50% in men who eat them regularly. One study followed 79,000 men over 20 years and found that those who ate cooked tomatoes 2 or 3 times a week were far less likely to develop prostate cancer. But here's where it gets really interesting. For men who did get prostate cancer, those who ate more tomato-based foods had fewer blood vessels feeding their tumors. That's because lycopene actually starves cancer cells by cutting off their blood supply. Lycopene also helps burn harmful fat, activates your metabolism, and lowers bad cholesterol. It's almost like a superpower in food form. Real-life tip. If you want to get the most out of tomatoes, don't just eat them raw. Cook them. Lycopene is easier for your body to absorb when the tomatoes are heated. For example, if you simmer tomato sauce for 30 minutes, the lycopene becomes 250% more available for your body to use. And if you cook it in olive oil, it absorbs even better, since lycopene dissolves in fat, not water. So the next time you're making pasta, add a little extra tomato sauce and olive oil for a healthy boost. Pears, fiber-packed and cancer-fighting. Next up, pears. Pears are an awesome fruit to add to your diet because they're packed with fiber and a compound called chlorogenic acid, which can help burn harmful fat and block the growth of blood vessels that feed cancer cells. Eating just 1 pear a day can make a big difference in your health. A study done by MD Anderson Cancer Center found that people who ate more fiber had a 30% lower risk of dying from melanoma while undergoing immunotherapy. So, next time you grab a pear, remember that you're not just having a snack. You're also giving your body a fighting chance to stay healthier. And here's a bonus tip. Eat the skin. It's where a lot of the fiber and nutrients are, so wash it well and enjoy. Kiwi, a small fruit with big benefits. Kiwi may be small, but it's packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. 1 kiwi a day can help your body fight off about 60% of DNA damage. And if you eat 3 kiwis a day, it can help repair damaged DNA over time. In a small study out of Singapore, women who ate 2 kiwis a day for 4 days increased the good bacteria in their gut, like lactobacillus, by 35%. Practical advice. Adding kiwi to your daily routine is super easy. You can slice it into your yogurt, blend it into a smoothie, or just eat it on its own. The boost it gives to your gut health can also help prevent digestive issues and improve your overall metabolism. Berries, nature's antioxidant powerhouses. Berries like blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries are some of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. They contain anthocyanins, which not only boost your immune system, but also help prevent blood vessels from feeding cancer cells. These compounds can reduce inflammation and keep your body's natural defenses strong. Practical example. A lot of people avoid fruit because they're worried about sugar, but strawberries are a great example of how fruit can help you lose weight without raising your blood sugar. In fact, studies show that eating strawberries can shrink your waistline and lower body fat without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. So, add a handful of berries to your breakfast or snack for a sweet treat that's actually good for you. Pomegranate, a gut-friendly super juice. Finally, let's talk about pomegranate juice. Pomegranates contain bioactives called L-glutanins, which help grow healthy gut bacteria and support your immune system. Drinking pomegranate juice regularly can help strengthen your gut lining and reduce inflammation. Real-life tip. You can find pomegranate juice in most grocery stores, but make sure to pick one without added sugars. Drinking a small glass each day can help boost your gut health, which in turn improves your body's ability to fight off diseases. Conclusion: make food your medicine. So there you have it, 5 powerful fruits that can help you stay healthy and even fight off serious diseases like cancer. Remember, it's not just about eating these foods once in a while, but making them a regular part of your diet. Whether it's cooking tomatoes for dinner, snacking on pears, adding kiwis to your breakfast, or enjoying a berry smoothie, every little choice you make can have a big impact on your health. At the end of the day, food truly is medicine. By eating these nutrient-rich foods, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong, heal faster, and even fight disease. So next time you're in the kitchen, think about how your food can be more than just fuel. It can be the medicine your body needs to thrive.